Includes 1 extra coarse and 1 soft touch roller heads for the Amope Pedi Perfect Electronic Pedicure foot file. Specially designed refills for use on dry skin to reveal touchably soft, smooth feet. Replace when it starts to show signs of wear, which will depend on the intensity, duration of your treatments. Stock up to ensure you always have a fresh refill ready. Refillable roller head spins 360 degrees for quick results on thick, calloused skin. Effective to remove dead skin from feet for the perfect pedicure at home. Comes with 2 refillable replacement roller heads for the Amope Pedi Perfect Electronic Pedicure foot file. Refillable replacement roller spins 360 degrees for quick results. Safe for removal of hard skin from your feet at home. Amope Pedi Perfect Coarse rollers are designed for breaking down rough and tough calluses. Glide the roller over the callus and hard skin area for a few seconds, no need to press hard. Top reviews from the United States. Downhill. I loved my first set that came with the device. But the second ones, the refills, were horrible. Both were mostly smooth without any material on them. Unfortunately, I put it in my closet and didn't open it up until after the return window was closed, so I can't return it.